Alright, let's go into conspiracy theories and how some of the things we know now started off as conspiracy theories. I mean, everybody is worried about conspiracy theories being the thing that will concern us most, the thing that we should be afraid of most. But what you got to realize that in this world, most of the things we believe in now started off as a conspiracy theory. The earth being round, yeah, there was a stage in our evolution where we used to believe that the earth was flat, and the earth being round was a conspiracy theory that normal people found so disturbing that we were told to be afraid of it, that it would destroy us. Yeah, and they even executed Copernicus, which is the man that actually started the theory. They executed him because they told us that, you know, these conspiracy theories are dangerous, and you know, they will eventually come up with theories that will destroy us, and the earth being round is just something that's just gonna destroy the human race. It didn't, and now it's normal theory. It's what we believe in as normal theory, where if you believe that the earth is flat, you're considered to be a conspiracy theorist. Yeah, so, and yet, so it's funny how things turn around like that. Quantum physics, quantum mechanics, when Einstein and Planck or whoever came up with it, when they were coming up with a quantum theory, everybody thought they were quacks. They thought, no way, things are deterministic. You can't have a stochastic reality or view of reality. No way. But then, if we didn't have if we didn't have that conspiracy theory about existence and reality, we wouldn't have TVs, wouldn't have satellites, wouldn't have any of that. Yeah. So quantum physics was a conspiracy theory that became fact. The Big Bang theory itself is a conspiracy theory. Yeah, it's still a conspiracy theory. It's just a view of reality that has not been proven yet. So it's still a conspiracy theory. If you look at the way they want to define conspiracy theory, the things you can't ban conspiracy theories because those are the things that become fact. Those are the discoveries of tomorrow. Yeah, even the Big Bang theory itself has not been conclusively proved. It's still a conspiracy theory. Yeah, so you can't ban things like that. So basically, what that Big Bang's about is the quest to prove that the universe happened by chance. Yeah. So there is no planning behind it, according to Big Bang theory. It happened by chance. Obviously, Big Bang theorists would like to have that view of the beginning of the universe because it ties in with the evolution ideology or evolution, the theory of evolution, which is also a conspiracy theory. It's not 100% proven. Yeah, it's still it can still be regarded as a conspiracy theory. So now, when you look at the Big Bang theory, which is the quest to prove that the universe happened by chance, yeah, you got to ask yourself, well, the statement is that existence is a chance occurrence, yeah. So it's not planned. It's just something that happened by itself for no apparent reason, just with no mechanism causing it. It just happens. So you're suggesting that it's just one of these things that happens naturally. So that means it could happen again by chance. Yeah. So that goes into quantum physics. So it could happen again by chance. Yeah. But even quantum physics says that that's all right, isn't it? So there could be nothing, and then at some point there will be something will happen. So, but the thing is, that could happen again by chance. Yeah. And then what is chance? If you look at the legal definition of things that happen by chance, coincidentally, things which are unplanned by man, or unplanned in the conventional sense of the word, unplanned as you would see it if you define what planning is. Planning is a man-made definition. So according to the definition of planning, yeah, if something does not fall within what planning is, yeah, it's an act of God. Yeah, even if it's a chance occurrence, chance, legally speaking, is an act of God. Like if something accidentally happened to you, they can't convict someone for that or say that was an act of God. You see, so even if you prove that the universe happened by chance, legally you still have to say that it was an act of God. the chance occurrence. God acts in chance occurrences. Yeah, that's how you see God, in the chance occurrences. So if the universe happened by chance, that's an act of God. Yeah. So another thing I wanted to touch on was Newton's laws of motion, where he says every action creates an equal and opposite reaction. But this is an equal and opposite universe, an equal and opposite parallel universe. So as soon as something acts, yeah, there is an equal and opposite universe that starts to also act upon the universe. Yeah, act upon reality, if you like. So as soon as you move forward, yeah, what you're moving forward in reacts, and that reaction at that instant becomes manifest. So if the universe occurred, yeah, what did it occur in? Yeah, and the act of occurring, yeah, where is the instantaneous reaction of that act? So when the Big Bang theory set off a force, there was an equal and opposite force. Yeah, where is that equal and opposite universe to our universe? Yeah, where the universe banged and there was an equal and opposite force that started to manifest at that instant. So out there is a parallel reactionary universe to this one. Yeah, surely if you look at Newton's laws of action reaction pairings, yeah, the act of occurring, the act of having that primordial atom happen, there was an equal and opposite reaction to that manifestation, which has been developing and evolving independently of that initial action. So as soon as that action happened, the reaction happened, and they started to evolve independent of each other. Yeah. So there is a parallel universe out there. And then what did that atom manifest in? Yeah. So there was nothingness. Then you had the initial space-time, which was confined in an atom. Yeah. So that initial space-time happened in what? How comes it was bounded? Bounded by what? Yeah. It happened, and then how comes it was bounded? Yeah. What was bounding it? What's at the interface of that atom? What is beyond the boundaries of that atom? Is there nothingness? So where you have a nothingness and somethingness boundary, yeah, where you have nothing and something at the boundary, yeah. So that's something that you have to consider and then put into context when you say, right now, if there was a boundary at the beginning of the universe, there's still a boundary right now. So out there, beyond the boundary of the universe, it's still going to be the same question. If the universe is bounded, what is beyond the boundary? What is at the interface of its boundary? Yeah, where you reach a point and you say, right, in here is existence, and in here there's nothing. There's what? There's nothing. What is nothingness in that? How could you be bounded by nothing? If you're bounded by nothing, then you're not going to have a boundary, really. Yeah. So these are just things I wanted you to consider. Obviously, I came up with the Big Bang theory, so I'm not really promoting the Big Bang theory. I'm not disproving it as well. It's just another conspiracy theory like mine, the Big Bang theory, which means that there was no bang. It was just a creator that just basically using the mechanisms of quantum mechanics. If you look at diffraction, and I didn't even know that atoms of hydrogen diffract, and yet hydrogen was the first atom to form. Yeah, if hydrogen diffracts, then all mass can be created from one hydrogen atom that's diffracted. Yeah, theoretically. Yeah, so that's why I have the Big Bang theory, which has no bang, and basically you have space-time, which is infinite. Yeah, and then mass occurring within it. Yeah, there is no boundary to space-time. and there is no space-time until you realize it with your consciousness. But anyway, we'll come into that. So God was the initial creator. He created one atom, diffracted it, and here we are.